Hola! In today's video, we are going to work on our flamenco hands. We're going to do a few exercises for our wrists to gain more mobility, and then do a few drills for beautiful fluttering hands. And if you want to continue your flamenco journey with me, there are some resources for you in the description below, including a link for a 10-day trial for my Online Flamenco Studio. So let's begin. So these exercises are for all levels of flamenco dancers, whether you're a brand new beginner or a professional dancer. You still always need to stretch and strengthen your hands and your wrists. So some things to remember about it, and I'll just talk while we stretch. You want to get the palm forward and pull. That the movement, what you want to remember is that the movement comes from the wrist. So you don't really, you are thinking about your fingers and where your movement is coming from, but it really initiates from the wrist. So you want to stretch from the bottom, pull at the top. And let's do the other side. Stretch on the bottom. And when you're doing your hands, like if you are a beginner, you know, you get the muscle memory of working with your hands, but of course, as soon as you add movement, any arm movement, or if you're doing marking steps, marcaje, you know, you forget what you're doing with your hands, and they can look like little dinosaur claws. And so you just have to, you know, forgive yourself for that and just know that it's a process, that you are getting muscle. You want to build that muscle memory so that eventually, you know, your hands are going and you don't have to think about your hands. All right, so again, we stretched out there. Now let's do a little strengthening here. So you want to keep that forearm still, circles and circles and circles. So make sure you're not flopping your arms around, but just keeping them still. Circles, circles, circle, other direction, circle, circle, circle. And then here's going to be a funny one. Down and up, down and up. And I imagine this would be also great if you are at a computer all day. All right, so up and down, and now side to side. Ooh, this is weird, but you can feel it. All right, so now with our hands, you know, remember that you are going in with the fingers and you're bending at the wrist, and open and flip, bend at the wrist, but go curl in with the fingers, around, open and flip, come in, around, open and flip, in, around, open and flip. Now the other direction, out, so you're leading with your pinky, out, down, around, and out, down, and around. And remember, you want to keep those elbows rounded and the forearms still. So again, in, and now we'll go out, out. And now let's try this. You want to initiate with the bent wrist, in, and end with the bent wrist, out. And initiate with the bent wrist, in and out. All right, shake it out. And now let's practice with a little bit of solo compás. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this compás, or this palo, this rhythm that we're listening to, is Guajira. All right, so we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and out, super slow. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and out. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, out. 9, 10, and in. 3, 4, 5, out. And 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we'll go into threes. So 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake it out and we'll start again. All right, so now we'll keep our arms down here. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. Super slow. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and out, out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll speed it up. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12. And 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 3, so 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, out, in, out, in, out. All right, one more round, and we're gonna keep our arms out, rounded, like we're holding that beach ball. We have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. In, all the way around slow. 7, 8, 9, 10, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and in. 7, 8, 9, 10, and out. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll speed it up. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. And 12, 3, in, out, controlled, abs in, shoulders down. 9, 10, one more compás. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, shake that out. Ole. Thanks for joining me in today's lesson. If you want to continue your flamenco journey with me, I would love to have you inside my online flamenco studio. It's a monthly membership for dancers from new beginners all the way through advanced levels, and we speak, feel, and dance flamenco in there. There are over 60 courses in choreographies, technique, and flamenco theory, plus a vibrant community of dancers from all around the world that you connect with. And we have monthly challenges, workouts, training sessions, practice sessions, everything that you need to progress in your flamenco journey so you can become the dancer that you dream about. And if you want to join us, there is a 10-day free trial that you can get right now. So I hope to see you in there.